Yes, we can discuss about risk management. What is risk management? Risk management is the process of identifying, assessing, and controlling threats to an organization's capital and earnings. The risks stem from a variety of sources, including financial uncertainties, legal liabilities, technology issues, strategic management errors, accidents, and natural disasters. What are the four risk management types? Four essential steps of the risk management process are identifying the risk, assess the risk, treat the risk, monitor and report on the risk. And then five steps of an effective risk management process. Identify the risk, analyze the risk, prioritize the risk, treat the risk, and monitor the risk. Three types of risk management. There are three types of risks that a firm might face and needs to overcome. Widely, risks can be classified into three types: business risk, non business risk, and financial risk. Risk management example: in business, risk management is identified as the process of identifying, monitoring, and managing potential risks in order to monetize the negative impact that may have an organization. Examples of potential risks include security breaches, data loss, cyber attacks, system failures, and natural disasters. This is the information. Especially potential risks include data loss. So data loss is also will be there, but only with a single command we can delete the entire data. But it is a very safe and secure process in database administration for the professionals. Cyber attacks, generally cyber attacks will come, we will clear it, and network administration and cyber security will always be there, even though we should be careful regarding the thing, so that only data backups, software backups, project backups, and all things backups should be there. Then only it is becoming a safety to you, and you are able to dare and to do process further with all these backups are ready. So for backups itself is one person is better to be absolved, then it is good to for cyber attacks. System failures and natural disasters. System failures is also most important in computers, because compatibility of tools and hardware tools and as well as software tools are also most important. And natural disasters, generally it is we cannot face it, because natural disaster means that is the God's intention. We cannot face it back. So, and these are the risk management examples. And the six biggest risks for small businesses is financial risk. The biggest risks facing many small organizations are actually financial and strategic risk. It can be hard to know that the steps to take when your organization is brand new. Reputation risk, liability risk, business interruption risk, and security risk. These are the six totally financial six biggest risks are there: financial, strategic, reputation, liability, business interruption, and security. These six are biggest risks for small businesses. What are the elements of risk management? The activities of risk management process typically include the identification, sourcing, measurement, evaluation, mitigation, and monitoring of risk. This risk mitigation is also a very good important thing in software development and software technology is also. So we can discuss later clearly about that. And identification is also most important, and sourcing and all these. Then 10 piece of risk management is introduction. Implications of the 10 piece for business. 10 P's are planning, product, process, premises, purchase, procurement, people, procedures, prevention and protection, policy, performance, interaction between all the elements. That is the information regarding P's. That is problems of risk management. Principles of risk management. Let us look at each little more closely. more closely. Integration, structured and comprehensive, customized, inclusive, dynamic, use best available information, considers human and culture factors, practices, continual improvement. All these are the risk management information. So we can in this. This is we are. I am giving in the topic wise only. We can discuss later about clearly all types of risk managements with a good analysis. Wishing you all the best.